Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing precise search terms so results are relevant. Start with the exact product name and model, then append intent words like review, unboxing, or demo. Once done, limit the platform to YouTube or TikTok to reduce noise and make sure to add filters for upload date and duration. This finds recent, concise videos. You do this because targeted queries save time and surface practical content quickly, rather than sifting through unrelated clips. Next, refine results by sorting and applying filters. Sort by upload date to get the latest footage, or by view count to find popular demos. You can toggle between them depending on whether freshness or consensus matters more. Once you identify candidates, preview the first 30 seconds to judge production quality and whether the video covers your use case. Also, check the creator's channel history and comments to confirm they know the product and avoid misleading. Finally, save and organize the videos you'll use. You can bookmark links, add tags like demo, troubleshooting, or accessory, or download files with approved tools for offline review. This speeds future access. Make notes on timestamps for key sections so you return quickly. If you can't find needed footage, broaden keywords, search seller pages, or check regional platforms. If downloads fail, verify permissions and network settings. One quick permission change often fixes blocked access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.